Meet the DV2Plus Viscometer, precision reimagined for the modern laboratory. For over a decade, the DV2T set the benchmark in viscosity measurement. Now meet its successor, the DV2Plus. Engineered by AMETEK Brookfield, it's the next evolution of the global standard. Featuring a 7-inch touchscreen and an intuitive interface, the DV2Plus simplifies complex testing. Whether you're in R&D or quality control, it adapts seamlessly to your workflow. Smart features like a viscosity wizard, post-test graphing, and even gel timer functionality empowers you to work smarter, delivering clarity and confidence in every result. Customize your testing experience with favorites and automate your reporting for greater efficiency. With Bluetooth, multiple USB ports, and seamless integration with DV360 software, DV Create software, and the HVQA for helipath measurements and quick-action lab control, the DV2Plus is built for smarter viscosity control for modern labs. Trusted, precise, future-ready. DV2Plus Viscometer, setting a new standard in viscosity measurement.